Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lista Nugraheni from Malang State University Mathematics Education Class 2018. I will explain about linear programming. Linear programming. Introduction. In mathematics, linear programming is a method of optimizing operation with some constraint. The main objective of linear programming is to maximize or minimize the numerical value. It consists of linear functions which are subjected to the constraint in the form of linear equation or in the form of inequalities. Linear programming is considered an important technique that is used to find the optimum research utilization. The term linear programming consists of two words as linear and programming. The word linear defines the relationship between multiple variables with degree 1, and then the word programming defines the process of selecting the best solution from various alternatives. Linear programming is widely used in mathematics and some other fields such as economic, business, telecommunication, and manufacturing fields. So, what is linear programming? Definition. Linear programming is considered as an optimization method to maximize or minimize objective function of the given mathematical model with the set of some requirements which are represented in the linear relationship. The main aim of the linear programming problem is to find the optimal solution. Linear programming problems. Linear programming problems is a problem that is concerned with finding the optimal value of the given linear function. The optimal value can be either maximum value or minimum value. Here, the given linear function is considered an objective function. The objective function can contain several variables, which are subjective to the condition, and it has to satisfy the set of linear inequalities called linear constraint. To solve a linear program, follow this step. The first step is determine the mathematical model of system linear inequality of two variables from a given contextual problem. The second one is determine the solution of linear inequality to variable. Set of number pairs is n called feasible region. How to determine feasible region? First is draw a boundary line feasible region and then using test point to determine feasible region. The step 3 is determine the feasible region in a linear inequality of two variables. The feasible region in a linear inequality to variable can be arranged by determining the feasible region of the equation boundary line. Then, using test point for determining inequality sign. After performing a test point to determine the sign of inequality, the next step is determine the feasible region for a system linear inequality of two variables. The last step is determine the optimal value of objective function. The optimal value of the objective function of a linear problem can be determined by the graphical method. By looking at the graph of the objective function and its limitation, it can be determined the location of the point which is the optimum value. The steps are follow. First, draw the solution set of all the conditions in Cartesian plane, and then determine the extreme point which are the intersection of the boundary line with other boundary line. And then investigate the optimal value of the objective function in two ways, using a line of inequality or comparing the value of the objective function for each extreme point. Okay, that's all I can say. I would like to express my gratitude. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.